So instant recall is one of my income streams that I'm currently building right now, and I'm super excited about it for two main reasons. One, this is a super easy opportunity to promote to other people, and two, the earning potential with instant recall is crazy. All right. So normally when people talk about the instant recall business opportunity, the number that usually stands out is earn over $5,600 with this opportunity, which is super dope, right? An extra $5,000, almost $6,000 a month for anybody. That's good money, right? That's a great opportunity. But in this video, I'm going to open up your eyes a lot bigger, right? I'm gonna make you more excited about getting involved with the instant recall business opportunity, because you're about to see how you can make just ridiculous amounts of money from this one opportunity. Now, of course, right? I'm gonna keep it real. This opportunity is amazing for those who are go-getters, those who are motivated, those who do not mind posting YouTube videos, posting on Facebook, doing offline marketing. If you're that type of person, then you need to get going like ASAP with this opportunity. All right. Now, if you want to know exactly how to get your instant recall business set up, all you need to do is watch the video in the description of this video. It's the first link. Click on it and you'll be all good to go. Now, if you got any questions about this opportunity, you can shoot me a text message and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. But before you do that, be sure to watch the video in the description first. Now, you want to see how much money you can make with instant recall? Check this out.
Well, here's what I've been telling people, and it's just been exploding. I tell people like, hey, over the next 90, 30, 60, 90 days, what if I could show you a good, genuine way to make over $5,000 a month? And all you have to do is download an app and get other people to download the app. So if you want to make over $5,000 a month, you just find 10 people who download the app, and every person you get to download, tell them to do the same. Just say, hey, go find 10 people to download this app, right? And you can even show them this video, and it's going to do all the explaining for you. So you can send people this video, say, hey, watch this video. Afterwards, trust me, you'll download my app. 10, getting 10, getting 10, getting 10. As you can see, that's over $5,600 a month, right? The extra $60,000 plus coming to your household, that should change a lot, right? I think, now let's get a little crazy. What if everyone went out and got 25 people to download this app? Remember, you get paid monthly for keeping this app. That's over $203,000 a month just for everyone getting 25, right? So if you don't believe those numbers, go down to 10, right? So the power of 10, but I'm going for the gusto. And here's what I love. At 50, if everyone just went out and got 50 people to download this app, that's over $3.1 million. And I'm telling you, when you see this, I know a lot of you guys is like, this can't be real. One thing I'm excited about is I have a personal relationship with the gentleman who has a long-term relationship with the founders. And he says, Frank, these guys are gold. They are grandfathers, fathers. They are Christian guys. These are guys who are legitimate. He says they're not going to scam anyone. So I can stand behind the guy I know. He's standing behind those guys. So I'm excited about this. Now, this could be the biggest no-brainer in the history of mankind. I think this is the biggest no-brainer. If you love doing what you're doing, keep doing it. This is not to distract you from that, but I think it's so easy. Just do the simple 10 plan. Give away a free app. It's no cost now or ever to 10 people, and just tell everybody to do that, and you're over $5,600 each.